Police reform is one of the most emotional and divisive issues this session, and opposition to changes to current law crosses party lines.
Maryland Police Accountability Act of 2021.
A tough and close call. Should unsubstantiated complaints against police officers be made public? An amendment prohibiting unfounded allegations be released through the state's Public Information Act generated a spirited and persuasive debate.
And we're talking about a violation of public trust. Policing is a public function, and it is unlike any other profession because decisions that are made are often final. There is no appeal from death.
In this case, you're not guilty, and it's still out there for public information. And I just have real concerns about officers' careers and families being affected by false allegations.
You want to get even with a cop, just say something. They can't, nobody can prove it. That it didn't happen, or he didn't say that, or she didn't say that.
Right now, we have a system in which there's just a complete cloak over information. Something like 90% of these allegations that are unsustained, we have no idea. We have no window into what's happening. A key element in terms of restoring our trust with our relationship with law enforcement is transparency.
But that amendment failed by just a handful of votes. In addition to complaints being made public, the bill allows information regarding the actual investigation and the outcome become public as well.
And once it's on social media, the officers' children in school are likely to be harassed and bullied because of the false complaint made against their father. This bill would permit that.
Under the legislation, police will have the discretion to deny releasing the records if they believe it would impact an ongoing investigation or is contrary to the public's interest.
These are really hard issues. There's not an easy answer here.
The debate is not over. There are more amendments being offered to this bill alone. There are 7 other police reform bills currently on the Senate floor, which will be discussed over the coming days. In Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.